Hey, good evening, good afternoon, everyone. It is Casey, and I got to tell you, I'm really excited. Matt just released the new version of ZimmWriter 7.751, and as you can see that here on my screen, we got new functions here. We've been teased about it, we've heard about it, we've seen some screenshots, but it is now here. So let's check this action out here. I'm not going to run through and show all this. I'm just going to show the interface and announce that it's here. So let's check it out. Let's go into the SEO blog writer. And that brings up this beautiful window. Interesting. Anything new in here? No. Because that's not where it is. Let's go over here because it's in the bulk writer. Check this out. Right down here at the bottom right, or middle on the right, you have custom outline disabled. If you click that, it opens another window for you. And that, my friends, is beautiful because that enables so many possibilities. Being able to allow AI, through Matt's amazing prompts, to create SEO optimized titles, put lists when you want them, where you want them, rather than just hoping that they randomly appear. The other cool thing about this is this also means that these functions are available in your magic commands. So not only are they available in your custom outline, but they are also available in your magic commands. So you can use these functions in any writing tool. Anyhow, I hope you guys have a great last day of the month, and I will see you all next month. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe, share, and if you have any questions on things you want me to investigate or share or even discuss here on YouTube or even delve deeper into in the online course. Anyhow, thank you all. You have a great week.